manonood ng Kapamilya Channel sa AllTV2.
Picture, please.
Sure. Ini-extrahan para mag-savor sulit busog meals with extra rice, extra sulit sa 99.
Regular hair care can't prevent dandruff. Skincare can. New Dove Dermascalp with skincare ingredients. Rebuilds the strength of your scalp barrier for up to 100% dandruff-free hair and 100% less hair fall.
Ready makipagkaibigan?
Toddlers are exposed to 200 cold viruses.
But protected while making friends, I only choose Nido 3 Plus.
With up to 1 billion probiotics. Tulong for respiratory protection.
Nido 3 Plus, your act of love.
At first I was afraid, isasabang toyo ang adobong ihahain sa barkada ko. Buti nahanap ko sarap ng isang buong manok dahil sa kaya ko na mag-adobo. And now I'm back! Luto mo yan! Miti sarap adobo good! Miti sarap adobo good! Basta may more ang luto mo, they'll keep coming back again, asking for more. Basta more luto mo yan! Hey!
May magic ang kamay ni Mommy. Pagkahaplos, bumubuti po ang ubo at sipon ko.
Hindi ito magic. It's Vicks Vapor Rub. Ihaplos sa dibdib para sa ubot sipon at sa likod para sa sakit ng katawan. Haplos ng Vicks, all night ginhawa.
Relax. Switch to C2, made from natural tea leaves and antioxidants. Switch to relax mode with C2 green tea.
Join now.
Ngayon, commute hanggang sundo kahit pawis.
Amoy blooming pa rin!
Dahil sa pinakabagong Surf Fabcon Fresh and Bloom. May 3 times amoy pawis shield, kaya kahit pawis. All new Surf Fabcon Fresh and Bloom.
Birch Tree Fortified. Ang gatas na may tripling lakas. Tulong sa brain lakas, bone lakas, at immunity lakas. Araw-arawin ang sarap at tripling lakas ng Birch Tree Fortified. 750 lang per glass, sulit!
No one's immune to hair fall. My hair gets its daily dose of provitamins from Pantene. Formula with provitamin B5 and biotin to help build hair fall immunity for 10 times less hair fall. Pantene.
At first I was afraid, isasabang toyo. Pero dahil sa Lord Cubes, kayang-kaya ko na mag-adobo. Biti sarap adobo good, biti sarap adobo good. Hey, hey!
Miss, yung right med nito.
Meron kaming iba.
Miss, basta right med. Doon ako sa kilala ko na at sa pinagkakatiwalaan ko.
Ito po, subukan ninyo.
Miss, basta right med. Tandaan, ipilit at hingin.
Basta right, man!
Dahil gusto namin na gumaling kayo.
Ay.
Fruity Fresh ang max ng dating.
For years, I was the sweet girl. I'm not that girl anymore. For every transformation, I need new Cream Silk Repair Booster Treatments with amino keratin for up to 48-hour softness and smoothness. New Repair Booster Treatments.
Lutang kami pagtanghali, boss.
Coffee.
Try this! Coffee ko brown. Saktong timpla ng kape, milk, at brown sugar. Kaya sarap, pampa-up!
Kopi ko brown. Saktong timpla na may sarap, pampa-up.
Coffee ko brown, sarap, pampa-up!
Nagtiwala ako sa'yo! Umaga pa lang, amoy pawis ka na.
Mag-Tide na! Sa iba, tinatakpan lang kasi ng bango ang hindi pa talaga nalilinis. Pero sa Tide, tagos ang linis. Tide, tagos linis. Kaya true bango.
Sarap ng masterfully made Chicken Joy. Pinaka-juicy from the marinade to the seasoning. Pinaka-crispy from the breading to the frying. The best tasting. Kaya may joy sa bawat kagat. Jollibee Chicken Joy. Walang kapantay ang sarap.
After challenges, you bounce back stronger. Now, your damaged hair can too. New Dove Peptide Bond Repair with Bioprotein Care. Reconstructs up to 90% of hair bond strength. Hair reborn 20 times stronger. New Dove.
Pag 3 mataas, pag bonakit Crisco 3 Plus.
oh shucks. Ako'y nagulat, may request si love. Help ya girl out.
Worry no more, tutulungan ka ng more. Sinig ang miss.
Sinigang ulit next week, hon?
Gusto ko pa kumain ng sinigang ni Love Island.
Every Filipino deserves the gentlest care down there.
Our gentlest care, PH level 5. See for every Filipina. Gentlest care for every day. Our gentlest care for every Filipina.
Our gentlest care for your everyday freshness.
PH Care.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.